everyone. I hope you are absolutely fine. Well, first of all, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed this channel till now, make sure to subscribe. This channel is going to be very helpful for you. Well, in this video, we are going to talk about some wonderful hiring opportunities for you. So make sure to watch the complete video. This video is going to be very helpful for you. So let's start with our first opportunity, that is from Columbus, and it is for 2021 pass outs. So this is the description given regarding the company, that it is a global IT services and consulting corporation with more than 2500 employees serving our customers worldwide, right? And here talking about the job description, so they are hiring for engineering graduates from BTech, BE in CSC, IT and MCA, MSc Computer Science 2021 batch graduates. The job title is trainee system consultant, job type is full time, and work location is Hyderabad. CTC offered is 4 LPA with no service bond. Eligibility criteria is professional graduate in BTech, BE in CSC, IT and MCA, MSc. Only 2021 is eligible, right? So make a note of that. A minimum academic score they have asked for is 65% in 10th and 12th, and a minimum score of 65% in graduation and post graduation. So these are some points given regarding the company. Talking about the skills, so good communication skills, good at analytical thinking and reasoning, excellent problem solving skills and coding. Selected candidates will be working development and coding projects in ERP domain, CRM domain, and cloud, cyber security infrastructure. Talking about the selection process, so first there will be an online aptitude test, and test link will be shared to the registered email IDs through support@myAnatomy, right? And then a managerial interview, then HR interview. Also, some important guidelines are given, that online test will be sent to the registered candidates who meet the eligibility criteria. Shortlisted candidates from the test should be available for the further interview process, and they should be available for immediate joining. So this is simple form given here. You have to fill this one, right, and just submit this, and obviously you'll be getting the test link via mail itself. Let's talk about our next opportunity. So that is from Infosys. So Infosys is again hiring for 2021 batch for system engineer role. So here you can read more about this. Simply just check this box and click on accept. And here you have to fill the survey form. So here you have to provide all your details that they have asked for, and simply submit this. And within few days you will be getting test link or any further acknowledgement from their side for the further process, right? Next opportunity is from Renault Nissan Technology and Business Center India. So they are hiring for graduate engineer trainee. Salary offered is going to be 3.5 to 4.2 LPA. Job location is Chennai. Talking about job responsibilities and skills required, so that is designing, coding, testing, and debugging application and distributor system. Interact with designers, architect, and other developers to analyze the requirement. Documenting component, testing the product in controlled environment before taking it to product environment. These are the keys roles and responsibilities given. Now talking about the eligibility criteria, so BE, BTech, CSE, IT, EEE, ECE, E&I, INC are eligible. Year of passing eligible is 2020 and 2021. Minimum 70% aggregate in undergraduate is needed. Also there should be no standing backlogs. Also there is a bond of 3 years, right? So if you are interested and if you are finding this useful, so make sure to apply the link. Simply click on apply now and you can apply for this particular job role. Next opportunity is from Accenture. So Accenture is still hiring for the roles, that is associate software engineer. So just simply click on I'm not a robot and simply click on next, right? You will be redirected here. So here you can see more about the roles. They are still hiring for associate software engineer. This is the role given, and so just simply fill this form. Also make sure the details that you're providing should be correct. If you're like, you have to upload PAN card and all such stuff here, so make sure that everything, photo and all, should be clearly visible and you are not doing any sort of mistake. Only then you will be getting the test link, because most of the students told that after filling the form, even then they don't receive any kind of test link. The reason was that your information should be somewhat incorrect, or the documents that you have uploaded, they must not be clear, the picture must not be clear. So make sure to have a look on that. Make sure to be careful about that, right? So these were 4 wonderful opportunities for you. I hope you have found this useful. So thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to share this video among your friends as well, so that even they can know about this wonderful opportunity. Thank you guys. Bye bye.